Alright, what's up? Today we are going to be hunting monsters with the airplanes that we crafted. Pretty cool. Let's go. Let's hunt ogre.
The first one I wanted to kill is ogre. Move! Golden chicken!
Alright.
I'll eliminate chicken.
Oh, behind a hill.
I'll stun him.
I'm gonna ram my aircraft. I'm gonna ram the aircraft.
Chicken has been eliminated.
Alright.
What are we gonna do next?
I'm out of ammo.
Go collect these clusters.
But I shot them. Oh. Am I sick?
I'm not sure.
What the heck?
My flight, bro. Okay, guess I'm safe.
I'm landing my aircraft. Landing aircraft.
Alright, I'm the... Okay.
Well, can one of you guys? Is anyone else have cluster? Oh, there's another cluster.
Nah, okay, guys, let's go.
Guess I gotta. Wait.
Aircraft. No.
Next monster is angler. Make sure to reload.
That's crazy, bro.
Come on, guys.
Well, I'm not in my cockpit yet. I'm not in my cockpit. Now I'm ready.
Alright, I'm at the deep dark forest.
Okay, shoot angler. Angler's eliminated.
Red light, green light, next. Red light, green light.
Go red light, green light.
Haunted mansion. Repeat. Haunted mansion.
Wait, maybe retreat back to base.
Yeah, retreat back to base.
No, we need to.
Retreat back to base?
We can't kill any monsters at Haunted.
Yep, boss is checked out. That's all he wants. Okay, guys, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna use one of my boosters to go faster.
Same. Now, wait a minute. How the heck did Ogre get over?
Alright, the design of my airplane. Here it is. I got the flare guns just in case I'm in trouble. And I got these bad boys, an umbrella, these, a light, a map, all that cool stuff.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go and talk to boss. How much we're gonna make? Okay.
It's not that much because we did some stuff from our past jobs and this was the only job available.
Yeah.
$10 trillion. Bro, guys,
What?
he's actually paying us $18 trillion.
What?
Finally!